Hi, today we are reading Pete the Cat's Happy Halloween by Kimberly and James Dean. Are you ready for Halloween? I think Pete and his friends are. Let's see what they all dress up as. What do you think Pete is? Happy Halloween! It's time for the trick-or-treat carnival. Pete is a groovy mummy. Did you guess he was a mummy? He can't wait to see his friends. Pete finds Callie at the Wacky candy fountain. Callie is an awesome astronaut. Ready to blast off? Callie asks. Roger that, says Pete. Pete finds Alligator at the creepy corn maze. Alligator is a spooky skeleton. I hope we get a lot of candy, says Alligator. Me too, Pete replies. They all have their trick-or-treat bags, hoping for candy. Pete finds Emma at the spooky haunted house. Emma is a not-so-scary witch. Look how cute Emma looks. Check out my broom, Emma says. Wicked, says Pete. Pete finds Squirrel at the pumpkin carving contest. Squirrel is a mighty wizard. Abracadabra, Squirrel yells. Nice, says Pete. Pete finds Gus on the bouncy hayride. Gus is a silly ghost. Can you see Gus? Look at him. Boo, Gus shouts. Spooktacular, Pete says. Oh my goodness, look at Grumpy Toad. Pete finds Grumpy Toad near the start of the parade. Grumpy Toad is a creepy spider. Look at my 8 legs. I made them myself, Grumpy Toad says. Perfect for trick-or-treating, Pete replies. Pete spots Marty in the crowd, dressed as a pumpkin. Can you find Marty? Here he is. He's got his bananas to go along. Come on, it's time for the Halloween parade, Marty says. I think they're going to have a good night. Thanks for listening. This is JoJo with JoJo Storytime for Kids. Please be sure to like and subscribe.